The last couple of items I'd like to address are things that kind of go along with my personality and the line of work that I did, building things, civil engineering type work for 40 years, and that was, I was very concerned about quality control and the skilled workmanship that would go into the implementation of these projects. There are a couple of levels of quality control. One is the actual product you're buying, the materials themselves, how they're rated, how the industry rates, and all of the materials that HomeFix used were of the highest quality. The next part about the quality control aspect was I was concerned as to how these materials would be installed. You can buy the best products, but if they're not installed properly, you're going to have problems down the road, I almost guarantee you. And so the second point that I want to make on the quality control issue was the workmanship of the people who actually did the work. For every phase of the work, there was always a foreman on the job, as the expression goes, 24/7. They did the roof first, and the foreman was here every single hour of every day, supervising all of the folks. HomeFix has a very stable very stable workforce, loyal. They've worked for the company for years, and just about every person at every level is very highly skilled. And as I say, they had the foremans were always here, who always took time to communicate. If I ever had a question or anything else I wanted to ask them or have them explain to me, they took the time to explain it. This was true of the foreman who did the roof, and there was another foreman who did the windows, and then the doors, and then the skylights. I was very impressed by how knowledgeable they were. I hoped I wasn't a nuisance, but I watched them up close and personal because I had never seen this work done before. But I kind of knew how it was done, and I actually wanted to watch closely so I could learn myself, and I could just tell that these people took a lot of pride in their work. They're very highly skilled, and again, great supervision, and the project went very smoothly from start to finish, as they like to say, on schedule and on budget, and I was and am totally satisfied with the decision I made to go with HomeFix and use all the materials I did. There was a point where I thought, well, I might break this up and do it as 4 separate projects, and possibly even 4 separate companies. But, logic prevailed that if this one company does it right, this is so much easier than breaking it up into, smaller increments. Plus, I wanted all of my maintenance problems to go away and to go away permanently. So the decision to have them do everything, in my opinion, was really a very good decision. I'm not saying it can't be done the other way, but for me, this was the easiest, this was the very best. And it really worked out well. So I'll say in summary that it was a great experience working with HomeFix at every level. They lived up to their reputation. The people at the front office, the field managers, the foremen, all of the skilled people that install these things. They were great, and I'm just a very satisfied customers. A lot of times when you go online, they have rating systems now with 5 stars, and without any hesitation, I would give HomeFix and all of the people there that 5-star rating. I now can live in my house without worrying about all of the maintenance issues that haunted me for the 5 years leading up to the complete redo. So that's my story, and I'm very happy to tell it. Thank you.